Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Ninja 300. This is the winter test edition. Came with a special matte black finish, frame sliders, rear seat cowl, and a taller windscreen. And this one has been sitting in someone's garage. It's only got 88 miles. Come on by. Make your Kawasaki Ninja 300 Super Sport dreams come true on this gorgeous 2017 with 88 miles. Fuel injected, twin cylinder, beautiful condition. Only $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. By the way, this has ABS brakes too. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.